Ever pondered over the true meaning of financial independence? Is it a far-fetched dream or a tangible reality? Let's take a moment to explore this concept. Financial independence isn't about lounging on a yacht in the Mediterranean sipping champagne. It's not about amassing mountains of money. No, it's something far more profound. It's about freedom, the freedom to make choices. Imagine the freedom to choose the job you love, not the job that pays the bills. The freedom to take a break, to travel, to explore new hobbies, or to start a new venture. The freedom to help loved ones without thinking twice. The freedom to say no when you need to. That's what financial independence truly means. Financial independence is not a destination, it's a journey. And like any journey, it requires a map. A financial map to guide you to your goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early, your financial goals are the landmarks on your map. But setting goals is just the first step. To reach these landmarks, you need a strategy. You need to understand your income, your expenses, your savings, and your investments. You need to master the delicate art of balancing your needs of today with your dreams of tomorrow. It's about making informed decisions today that will shape your financial future. It's important to remember that the journey to financial independence is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about immediate gratification, it's about long-term satisfaction. It's a journey of patience, perseverance, and discipline. It's about making small, consistent steps towards your goals. So let's embark on this journey together. Let's set our financial goals. Let's make a plan. Let's take control of our financial future. Because financial independence isn't just a dream, it's a tangible reality that we can achieve with the right mindset and the right tools. Financial independence isn't about being rich, it's about having the comfort to live life on your terms. The journey to financial independence begins with a simple step: budgeting. Now, don't let the term budgeting intimidate you. It's not about penny pinching or denying yourself pleasures. Rather, it's about understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions about your spending. Imagine your money as a team of little workers. Each one has a job to do, whether it's paying for your rent, buying your food, or contributing to your savings. Without a plan, these workers might wander off, get lost, or end up in places they shouldn't be, like an impulsive online shopping spree. But with a budget, each worker knows exactly where to go and what to do. But how to start? Let's keep it simple. Begin by tracking your income and expenses. Note down every penny that comes in and goes out. You can use a pen and paper, a spreadsheet, or one of the many budgeting apps available. The method doesn't matter as long as you're consistent and honest with yourself. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to set some goals. Maybe you want to save for a holiday, pay down debt, or build an emergency fund. Whatever your goals, your budget is the roadmap that will help you get there. Allocate your money to different categories based on your needs and wants, and then stick to it. Of course, life is unpredictable and sometimes expenses can sneak up on us. That's why it's important to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Perhaps you've started a new job with a different income, or maybe you've moved to a new city with higher living costs. By adjusting your budget to reflect these changes, you can ensure it continues to serve you effectively. Budgeting is more than just preventing unnecessary debt, though that is a crucial part of it. It's also about empowering yourself to make confident financial decisions and move closer to your financial goals. Remember, a budget isn't a restriction. It's a tool for financial empowerment. Saving, often mistaken as a Herculean task, but in reality, it's a simple habit with massive impact. Let's start by debunking a common myth. You don't need to be a millionaire to start saving. Even the smallest amounts, when saved regularly, can accumulate into a significant sum over time. This is all thanks to the magic of compounding, where your savings earn interest, and that interest in turn earns more interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger with each roll. And why is saving so important? Well, life is unpredictable. The car might break down, the roof might start leaking, or you might find yourself in the middle of a global pandemic. Emergencies like these can put a strain on your finances. And without a safety net, you might find yourself in a tough spot. That's where savings come in. They act like a financial buffer, protecting you from unexpected expenses and giving you peace of mind. Moreover, saving isn't just about preparing for a rainy day, it's also about planning for a sunny tomorrow. Whether you're dreaming of buying your first home, starting your own business, or traveling the world, saving can help turn those dreams into reality. It's the key to financial independence, allowing you to make life decisions without being overly stressed about the financial impact. Remember, saving is not about depriving yourself of the good things in life. It's about making conscious choices, prioritizing your spending, and understanding the difference between wants and needs. It's about enjoying your present without compromising your future. So, start today. No amount is too small. Even if it's just £1 a day, that's £365 by the end of the year. Imagine what you could do with that. In the grand scheme of things, saving may seem like a drop in the ocean. But remember, every drop contributes to the ocean's vastness. And in the same way, every penny saved is a step closer to financial freedom. The magic of saving lies not in the amount, but in the act itself. Every penny saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Debt, a word that often sends chills down the spine. But is it always a bad thing? Let's dive in and demystify this daunting term. Often, when we hear the word debt, we tend to associate it with negative connotations, a threatening letter in the post, a stressful phone call, or worst of all, a life of constant worry. But what if I told you that not all debt is created equal? Yes, you heard me right. There's such a thing as good debt and bad debt. Let's break this down. Good debt is a kind of investment that will generate long-term income or value. Think of it like this. A student loan is often considered good debt. It's a sum of money that you're borrowing to invest in your education, which in turn is likely to increase your earning potential in the future. Similarly, a mortgage can be classified as good debt. You're borrowing money to buy a property, which could possibly appreciate over time. Now let's talk about bad debt. Bad debt is generally incurred for purchases that quickly lose their value and do not generate long-term income. So when you borrow money to buy that latest designer bag or take a luxury holiday, it's considered bad debt. These purchases might give you momentary happiness, but remember, you're paying interest on them. So, where does this lead us? Borrowing isn't a bad thing per se. It can be a helpful tool when used wisely. It can help you build your credit, make meaningful investments, and even tide over temporary financial difficulties. However, if mishandled, it can lead to a cycle of debt that becomes a burden. The key to managing debt lies in understanding the difference between good and bad debt, making informed decisions, and most importantly, borrowing within your means. Don't let the fear of debt stop you from making smart financial moves, but equally, don't let the ease of borrowing push you into a financial abyss. Debt isn't inherently evil, it's how you manage it that matters. Investing, a world often shrouded in complexity, but is it really as daunting as it seems? Picture this. You've got a seed in your hand. You could eat it now, or you could plant it, nurture it, and watch it grow into a tree that will bear many more seeds in the future. This, my friends, is the essence of investing. It's about delaying immediate gratification for a greater reward down the road. Let's demystify the basics of investing. It's essentially putting your money to work for you instead of you working for your money. It could be as simple as buying stocks of a promising company, or as sophisticated as investing in real estate or starting your own business. The goal is to generate a return on your investment over time. Now let's talk about the power player in the investing game. Compound interest. Albert Einstein famously called it the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. It's the process where the interest you earn on your investment starts earning its own interest. This snowball effect can result in your wealth growing exponentially over time. The magic happens when you start investing early. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Let's say you start investing just £100 a month at the age of 25, with an average annual return of 5%. By the time you hit 65, you'd have amassed over £200,000. But remember, with every investment comes risk. The stock market can be volatile and businesses can fail. That's why it's essential to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, spread them across different types of investments to mitigate risk. Investing can seem intimidating, but once you understand the basics, it becomes an exciting journey of wealth creation. It's about making informed decisions, taking calculated risks, and most importantly, having patience. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's a path to wealth. Mastering money isn't rocket science, it's about making informed choices and adopting healthy habits. We've journeyed through the fundamentals of financial independence, and now let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Firstly, we explored the power of budgeting, a fundamental tool in managing your money. It's like a roadmap for your finances, guiding you to make smart decisions about spending and saving. Remember, a well-planned budget isn't about limiting your freedom, but rather it's about creating more freedom through financial stability. Next, we delved into the magic of saving. Consistent saving, no matter how small, can lead to a considerable nest egg over time. It's the slow and steady approach to wealth accumulation, and it's never too early or late to start. A penny saved today could be a pound tomorrow. We then face the reality of debt. While it might be a scary concept, understanding debt is crucial. Not all debts are created equal. Some can be a stepping stone to your financial goals, like a mortgage for your dream home or a student loan for your education. But the key is to manage it wisely and avoid falling into the trap of excessive debt. The wonder of investing was our next stop. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's a practical way to grow your money over time. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, the right investment can provide you with an additional income stream and help you achieve your financial goals faster. In conclusion, budgeting, saving, understanding debt, and investing all play a pivotal role in your journey towards financial independence. Each aspect is a piece of the puzzle, and when they come together, they provide a clear picture of financial health and prosperity. Financial independence isn't a destination, it's a journey. And every journey begins with a single step. So are you ready to take yours? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or share this video and subscribe to this channel about personal finance and investing.